Hello children, welcome back. Last time there were questions that I left you with, which I expected everybody has done them very well. Out of those questions, I just want to look at the last question, which was actually about a shadow. This question had a diagram. It was question number 5. It had a diagram which was in that form. We had a drawing in that way, okay? Here it was very dark, okay? They told you were to name those regions. There was region A and there was region B. And they told you to name these two regions, which I hope everybody did very well. If I look at region A, this one, it is the part or the region of a shadow that is partially dark, or which has partial darkness, and that one we call it pen. Then you write umbra. I hope all these parts. In the other lesson you had with the teacher John, you had all these parts named or labeled. We are just trying to find out if you still recall. Then this part B. Who can mention this part B? Somebody? Yes? Alright. Exactly. This is the umbra. The other one is penumbra. Then this is umbra. This is umbra. So those are the two regions or two parts of a shadow that we had given you in question 5A. Then there was question 5B. Okay? Question 5B was asking us how this part is formed, part B. Even somebody equally could ask how part A is formed, but our interest was part B, how it is formed. Remember, these two parts, one is completely dark, total darkness, that is B, umbra. Then partial darkness, part which is not completely dark, it's penumbra. Then we're asking, how is this part which has total darkness, how is it formed? One thing you should know that for you to understand this, in the absence of light, completely light, there will be total darkness. Meaning that when light from the source is obstructed, completely obstructed by an opaque object, then part B is formed. So your answer should be framed that way. It is formed as a result of total obstruction of light, obstruction of light by an opaque object. Okay, total obstruction of light by an opaque object. That is what causes or what forms that part B. Boys and girls, I want this to take us to something. Remember, here you were just in that lesson, you were just looking at how shadows are formed. Remember, there are shadows that are formed in space when light from the sun is obstructed by certain bodies. Remember, where the sun is in space, we have objects that move around the sun. Okay? We have objects that move around the sun. These objects are many. Okay? You remember the solar system? Somebody? You remember the solar system? Can you mention some few bodies, objects that form the solar system? Okay? Objects that move around the sun. Okay? We have the Earth is there. We have things like Venus, Jupiter. There are many. You can always recall them, okay? Yeah, thank you. Now, we have some of these bodies, common ones, that always find themselves moving around the sun at a certain time. These things obstruct that light from the sun. And when that is done, on Earth, we receive darkness. Okay? We always receive darkness. And occasionally, this darkness, when it's about occur. Even radios and televisions announce that here the sun, the earth is going to be dark, the moon is going to be dark. Why? It means as some of these objects that move around the sun, as they are moving and they block, they obstruct that light from the sun, they form that point of darkness. Now we're going to give a name to that shadow, that point of darkness that is formed by those bodies that move around the sun. Here we are mostly going to talk about the earth and the moon. Okay, we are basically going to talk about the earth and the moon. Those are the ones, those two objects or bodies are the ones that always block sunlight, and we see darkness at a certain point, which we always call eclipse. Which we always call eclipse. Okay, eclipse. Eclipse. Can somebody there say eclipse? Okay, so we are going to talk about the eclipse. I want us to see how this eclipse takes place. Okay, I want us to see how it takes place. Let's say something here. Okay, something here. For that matter, we are going to look at how eclipse occurs. And that word I've written eclipse, I said in space, okay, around the sun, there are objects that move around the sun, okay, that move around the sun. They at times block light coming from the sun, and the region of darkness, a shadow is formed. So that shadow formed when the bodies that move around the sun obstruct its light, we call it eclipse. So eclipse is a shadow form when light from the sun is blocked, for this matter, either by the moon or earth. Now look at my equipment that I have here. Okay. Are we there? Look at this. Look at this. My candle that's burning here, this candle flame, let's consider it the sun, okay? That is the sun, okay? Okay, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Okay, the candle, look at that. That represents our sun. Look at this blue. Look at this blue. This one represents the earth. Look at the white one here. This one represents the moon. What's going to happen in this? The sun is going to revolve, it's going to move around the earth is going to move around the sun, while this white representing the moon is going to be rotating around the earth, and we shall see the effect that it will bring. Are we together? Are you there? Somebody, are you observing this? Are we together? Okay, the game is beginning. Right? Now, the blue is moving, whereas the white is also, observe the effect. The blue is moving, the white is also doing what? As the blue moves, the white is also, something has happened there. Let's be there. Have you seen the three? This is the earth, this is the moon, now the sun is there. Look at this. Okay, now what happens here is this moon is going to completely block this. Okay, it completely blocks this light from the sun. Now on earth we are going to receive darkness. Okay, now this is one type of eclipse that we are going to experience. Okay, one type of shadow formed by the moon blocking light from the sun. Now darkness is on this side. Now you can see the three are aligned. Okay, this alignment I'm going to represent it on the chalkboard as it is the way you see it here. So when you see this alignment where there is this light from the sun being obstructed or blocked by this moon, we call this solar eclipse, meaning light from the sun is obstructed by the moon. Okay, there will be darkness on earth.
Okay, so you see this arrangement where there is the sun, the moon, and the earth, and they aligned that way. We call this solar eclipse. Okay, type of eclipse where the moon is between the sun and the earth. Type of eclipse where the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. Okay, this is now what we call solar eclipse. We're going to see darkness here. Let's move this thing again and we'll see another one. Let's see. Let's position. This thing, it continues moving. Okay, remember the sun doesn't move. It's only the earth and the moon moving. Okay, are we there? Let's observe. They are moving. Okay, they are moving. Which one is rotating around the other? The moon rotates around the earth, while the earth rotates around the what? The sun. Okay, are we there? Are we there? Are we there? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, another eclipse. They have aligned themselves again. Are you seeing that alignment? Check there. Check there. Now remember, in the first one, the moon was in the middle here. But now the moon is at the end. Which one is in the middle? Can somebody tell me? Yes. Yes? Yes. Correct. It's now the earth, which is between the sun and the moon. Remember, white is our moon. Okay? The blue is our earth. Okay? Now, you see the new alignment. This is no longer solar eclipse because this time the moon has come in between the sun and, the earth has come between the sun and the moon. Okay? The first one we called it solar eclipse because the moon was between. Okay? The moon was here. But now it is the earth. How do we call this? Okay? Who can give me that? Now this we call it lunar eclipse. When we see this, this is lunar eclipse. Right now, we're going to represent all this information as we see it here on the chalkboard. Okay? When we are presenting this on the chalkboard, I want us to see this. Okay? On the chalkboard, this is what we're going to come up with. Remember, I had a candle. Okay? I had a candle which represents the sun here. Remember that? We had the sun represented by the candle. There was a time between here, we had the moon. Remember that? Then this side we had the what? The earth. That was in our first type of eclipse. Is in our first type of eclipse. And we said eclipse means what? What did we say eclipse means? It means a shadow formed when light from where? From the sun. Light from the sun is obstructed or blocked. Is obstructed by which bodies? Mostly we're using here by the moon or earth. That's what eclipse is. So let's look at these types. Let's look at these types of eclipse as they are here. Yes. So this is the first one we did. You need to know that whereas we are talking about these types of eclipse, now this is the alignment. My moon is here. My earth is here. My sun is there. I want you to look at that. Okay? Light has to come from the sun. But if the three are aligned that way and the moon has obstructed or has blocked this light which is coming from the sun, we're going to see darkness that side. Okay? We need to know that light from this side, okay? Light from this side can pass here. Okay? Light from this side can pass here. Okay? It can pass here. Light from this side of the moon can pass there. Right? Even light this way can cross and it moves that side. Remember, rays are straight arrows, they must be straight. Light ray from here can travel and pass here. Okay? All together. Even the ray from here can travel and it passes here. It passes here. Okay? Let's see there. Let's see that. It can pass there. Even rays from here, they can pass there. They can pass there. Okay? Let's check that. Children, check that out. It can pass here. Let's look at that. Okay? Now, this is what you're going to experience. Can I put the arrows there? Yes. Have you checked yours clearly? Now look at this. This is our sun. This is what we had. Alright? This is the first thing that we began with. Okay? It is here. This is what we had. Okay? Now, this one is an obstacle. It is obstructing light. It's opaque. Now light is not going to pass through it. So you are going to experience total darkness at this point. Complete darkness is going to be here. There's going to be total darkness here. Now the sides here will experience what we call partial darkness. Okay? There will be partial darkness here. Okay? Yeah, that part will be partially dark. And if I may use a ball, okay? If I may use a ball, somebody can help me there. If I use a ball, yeah. Help me. Okay. Put there. Otio. You see there? That ball has stopped that light. It won't come to the ball. It won't come. Now this is the earth. The white one is our moon. Now it has stopped that light completely from coming this side. Okay? So you are going to see total darkness in the shaded part. Now, that's okay, thank you. The parts that are dotted, they receive sunlight. Because sunlight is escaping on the sides. Okay? These dotted parts here, they will experience partial darkness. Now this dark part, remember we called them what? The darkest. We call it umbra. Okay? Then the partial darkness here, we call it penumbra. Okay? So this type of eclipse here, where the moon is between the sun and the earth, we call it the solar eclipse. Okay? Solar eclipse. We call it solar eclipse. So, solar eclipse, I want you to just describe it the way you see it here. This is the type of eclipse where the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. Equally, somebody can say type of eclipse where the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Okay? Yeah. So that is the first type of eclipse we're experiencing here. It's called solar eclipse, where where the moon comes. Okay? Type of eclipse where the moon, okay, where the moon is in between the sun and the earth. So that's what we call solar eclipse. Right. We shall have to look at another type of eclipse. We shall have to look at another. What about when this earth comes here? Okay, when this earth comes here and the moon goes the other side. Let's come here and look at that. Alright? Let's have here. You remember the sun is constant, it doesn't move. This is now our sun. Okay? Let's have this time the earth here. This time the earth is here. This is the earth. Now we are having the moon here. Wow. The moon is here. This is now our moon. Let's say there are light rays that travel here. Okay? They cross over and they pass this way. Are we together? There are light rays on this side that cross over this way. Sorry. Why don't I use my ruler? I draw straight lines. Okay? From here, they cross over
travel that way. There are also light rays from here that move direct. Okay, that travel direct this way. Direct. Even this side, there are those light rays that travel direct this side. They pass here. They pass this way. Okay. Then we are going to see partial darkness here. Now this part here is going to experience still what? Total darkness. Now, where there is partial darkness, we say this is penumbra. What about this? We say this is what? Umbra. Now, if this one here, we call it solar eclipse. What about when the earth is between the moon and the sun? Which eclipse is that? Can somebody think about that? Which eclipse is that? Okay, we call this one solar eclipse. Definitely, we're going to realize that this one is called the lunar eclipse. Okay, lunar eclipse. What does it mean? It's the type of eclipse where the earth is between the moon and the sun. Here, look at here. Here the moon is between the earth and the sun. We call it solar eclipse, which means light from the sun was blocked by the moon and there was darkness on the earth. This time it is the earth here. It is obstructing or blocking the light from the sun. So we shall experience darkness. The darkness shall be this side of the moon. Okay? Where the earth is in between the moon and the sun, we call that lunar eclipse. Can we say lunar eclipse? Somebody over there? Yes, correct. Thank you. So, if they say what is lunar eclipse, you say this is the type of eclipse where the earth is in between the moon and the sun. Put that. Okay, lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse is the type of eclipse. Okay, type of eclipse where the earth is in between. The earth is in between the sun and the moon. So that is what we call lunar eclipse. Children, so whenever we're talking about eclipse, these are the two types of eclipse. And I repeat, eclipse means a shadow formed when light from the sun is obstructed by the moon or earth. Now we have got two types of eclipse. Okay, we have two types of eclipse. The first type is the solar eclipse, where the moon is in between the earth and the sun, and that's what we have there. Okay, then we have got another one where the earth is between the moon and the sun, and that is the lunar eclipse. Okay, are we together? So that is basically what we wanted to cover this time about eclipse. Last time you covered shadows, but I have told you there are some shadows that are formed by certain bodies that rotate around the sun, that move around the sun. The shadow formed by them, we call it eclipse. Okay? Eclipse is a natural shadow formed as a result of obstruction of light from the sun by the moon or sun, for this matter. Even other objects can do so, but commonly here we're looking at the sun and the moon. So we have said now these are the two types of eclipse. So boys and girls, there are questions you are going to find as usual under this. Please remember to work them out. See you next time. Thank you, and thank you very much.